Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Alex Revel, and I'm a Kendler alum from the class of 2021. I currently work as an admissions counselor for the graduate programming here at Mercer University in Atlanta. And Candler obviously has been a huge asset in that, specifically working with Ms. Sarah Carlson in the Career Services Office. Some of the key points we found for me was that I know I wanted to both work in ministry and then to also still have another job as well. So being bivocational. And so that interdisciplinary approach is really the steps we took during our meetings. And so one of the keys we found was that I loved uh, relationship and program building, networking, communication. And so this position really helps me to activate those key skills I really enjoy doing and allows me to meet people exactly where they are as well. So many of us know kind of the emotional toil that we took taking the next step to another graduate degree as well. And so it's been good working there as well while I transition to the ministry side. So I'm actually United Methodist on the elder ordination track, but this gives me a perfect opportunity to begin building those bivocational skills until I'm ready to move into the ministry. So Candler has been a blessing on so many fronts, from being able to talk to students on that kind of spiritual, emotional level, while still being able to do that relationship building to advertise the programs that Mercer has as well. So Candler has been nothing but a blessing. And I pray it's been a blessing to you all as well. And if there's one thing I would say, please keep going to see Sarah Carlson even after you graduate. She's been nothing but an asset. And so if you all have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me. And I would love to hear from you. And good luck as you finish up school for this year. Take care.